Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine walking through the iconic halls of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, the dream college for millions of innovators, creators, and future leaders around the globe. But the big question is, how do you actually turn that dream into a reality? It might seem like a complex puzzle, but don't worry. In this video, we're going to break down the entire process, step by step, and give you a complete guide on how to get admission into MIT for the 2026 intake. We'll cover everything from academics and essays to financial aid and deadlines. So, if you're ready to start your journey to one of the best universities in the world, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what makes MIT so special. Founded in 1861, MIT has a rich history of pushing the boundaries of knowledge. It's consistently ranked as one of the top universities globally, especially for technology, engineering, and innovation. But MIT is more than just its rankings. It's a vibrant community where brilliant minds come together to solve the world's biggest challenges. Think groundbreaking research in AI, pioneering projects in renewable energy, and a campus culture that thrives on collaboration and a mens et manus, or mind and hand philosophy. It's a place where you don't just learn theory, you apply it, you build, you create. From its state-of-the-art labs to its bustling student life, MIT offers an environment where curiosity is celebrated and innovation is the norm. It's not just about getting a degree, it's about becoming part of a legacy of change-makers. So, what does it take to be considered for a spot at MIT? Let's dive into the eligibility criteria. Academically, MIT wants to see that you've challenged yourself with a rigorous high school curriculum. While there are no strict subject requirements, they strongly recommend taking 4 years of English, math up to calculus, 2 or more years of history or social sciences, and at least a year each of physics, chemistry, and biology. A high GPA is crucial, as it shows your consistency and academic drive. For international students, proving your English proficiency is a must. You'll typically need to take the TOEFL or IELTS, and you should aim for a high score to demonstrate you can thrive in an English-speaking academic environment. Now, let's talk about standardized tests. For the 2026 application cycle, MIT requires either the SAT or ACCET scores. This is a recent change, so make sure you prepare well for these tests. Strong scores can significantly boost your application. These documents are a record of your academic performance, so make sure they are complete and accurate. After that comes one of the most important parts of your application, the essays. We'll talk more about those in a minute. Finally, you'll need to submit letters of recommendation. MIT requires 2 from teachers, 1 from a math or science teacher, and 1 from a humanities, social science, or language teacher, plus 1 from your school counselor. What problems do you want to solve? What have you built, created, or designed just for the fun of it? This is your chance to talk about that robot you built in your garage, the community project you led, or a challenge you overcame that shaped who you are today. Don't be afraid to be personal and authentic. MIT values qualities like leadership, collaboration, and a willingness to take risks. Write about your experiences in a way that highlights these traits. Think of your essays as a conversation with the admissions committee. Let your personality shine through and tell them a story that only you can tell. One of the biggest concerns for many students, especially international ones, is the cost. But here's the great news. MIT is committed to making education accessible to all admitted students, regardless of their financial situation. They have a need-blind admissions policy, which means your ability to pay is not a factor in the admissions decision. MIT offers need-based financial aid, and they meet 100% of the demonstrated financial need for all students, including internationals. So, how do you apply for it? When you fill out your application, you'll indicate that you want to apply for financial aid. You'll then need to submit the CSS profile and your parents' tax returns or income documentation. MIT has 2 application rounds, early action and regular decision. The deadline for early action is November 1st, 2025. If you apply by this date, you'll receive your decision in mid-December. This is a great option if MIT is your top choice and you have your application ready to go. The second option is regular decision, with a deadline of January 5th, 2026. Decisions for this round are typically released in mid-March. Remember that all your materials, including your test scores, transcripts, and letters of recommendation, must be submitted by these deadlines. So, plan ahead. Start working on your application early, give your teachers plenty of time to write their recommendations, and don't leave anything to the last minute. A well-planned timeline will help you submit your best possible application without all the stress. So there you have it. Your step-by-step guide to applying to MIT. It's a challenging journey for sure, but it's absolutely achievable. Remember, MIT isn't just looking for perfect scores. They're looking for passionate, curious, and collaborative individuals who want to use their talents to make the world a better place. It's not just a university, it's a dream that rewards hard work, innovation, and a genuine love for learning. So believe in yourself, put in the effort, and let your unique story shine through. You've got this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide was helpful and motivating. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. For more study abroad guides, application tips, and university breakdowns, make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.